Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about a new digraph. CH says ch. Here, what is a digraph? First let me tell you that C is not producing its normal sound. C says k. H is not giving its normal sound. H says h. Instead, together they are joining and giving a new sound. CH says ch. We will learn about two more sounds also in this video. So first, let's learn the sound that we normally teach in schools. Ch, chick. Ch, chin. Ch, chips. Ch, cheek. Ch, chap. Ch, chop. Ch, chit. Ch, chat. Ch, chess. Ch, chalk. Now there are words that end with ch. Let's have a look at them. Bench, bench. Torch, torch. Lunch, much. Teach, catch. These words are ending with ch. Now children, there are two more sounds that ch make. One is sh. Although the spelling is ch, but it's giving the sound of sh. Sh. Let's look where. Machine, C. It is ch, but the sound is coming off sh. Sh. Chef, chef. Parachute, parachute. Brochure, brochure. Chandelier, chandelier. In all these words, the spelling is ch, but the sound it is giving is sh. Now, there's a third sound, k. Ch says k. Let's look in which word. Stomach. The spelling is ch, but the sound is k. School, school. Chemistry, chemistry. Character, character. Echo, echo. Anchor, anchor. So children, today you have learnt three sounds of ch. One is ch, cherries. Other is sh, machine. And the third is stomach, school. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.